Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Amanda. I'm back with another unboxing video. So I'm literally doing back to back unboxings. I feel like I'm getting back into the love and groove of unboxing and filming and just like having a good time. So I have two. One of them isn't mine. My friend shipped to me because it's cheaper. Like I get free shipping to my place in Korea. But this is for the BTS 2021 MUSTER SOWOOZOO DVD. So the DVD came out first, and then I think the digital and the Blu-ray copies are coming out later. The digital version and the DVD version have the same set of PCs, but I was told that the Blu-ray set has a different set of PCs. We both ordered the DVD, and then my friend also got the digital and the Blu-ray, but those obviously are getting released later. But I'm going to unbox the DVD for you guys. I'm going to open hers for you guys too. She said I could, just because if we want to trade, then we can. So here are the two DVD sets. Ooh, these are so pretty. I can't wait to put these on my, or one of them, on my shelf. So here it is in all its glory. I always struggle to open things. Sorry guys. So it's in a plastic sleeve that looks like this, and it's this very pretty iridescent purple color. And this is just what it looks like on the front. Absolutely gorgeous packaging. I'm obsessed with it. So there's 3 discs. There's part 1, part 2, the special performance for All Army, and then the making film. This is what the inside first looks like. So I believe you get a set of postcards, and then you get this like standing thing. It's foam standy, and you can just pop out all of the different things and put them in. And then you get the discs. Oh my god, oh no, one of the discs fell. Okay, so here are all of the discs. They're very beautiful. I'm actually obsessed with this packaging. I really love this packaging. And then it has the birthdays and then the debut day. So like their star signs and the birthdays and the debut day. This book, which is so beautiful. So this is the photo book. Oh my god, I opened it right to the PC. I literally was telling my friend that I needed this PC this morning. It's the headband and the hair and this outfit for me. I'm so happy with this pull. Oh my god, stunning. That was totally worth everything. Okay, so this is mine. I'm sealing it. We'll see like what pull she gets, but I'm claiming Yoongi. Amazing. Oh, I remember going absolutely crazy during this muster, because this is like when Jungkook, literally, he looked like a single father that was on vacation. He had all of his tattoos out. It was just a vibe. It was a look, and I remember I like basically cried about it because I was having a mental breakdown about this look. Oh. And the performances of chicken noodle soup and Jaechata, like this muster was so good. I wish that I could have seen it live, but you know, I'm still very happy with everything. Okay, I'm gonna go through the postcards quick, and then I'm gonna open up my friends. So here's June. Also the mullet hair. I'm obsessed with mullets. Like, so good. And then Jin. Oh, Yoongi blonde, please. He looks good in like all hair colors. And I loved the platinum on Hobie. And Jimin. And Tae. And Jungkook. Oh my. Disrespectful is like all I can say about this entire muster. So good. That was the first pull. And then let's open up the second pull. So obviously everything is the same. Ah, she also pulled a Yoongi. Ah, so amazing. We didn't even need to trade. But my friend is Jungkook biased, So she's hoping to get Jungkook or even Jimin, like, because Jimin's her bias wrecker, with the digital or the Blu-ray. I think she'll be happy with this regardless. So, and she has 2 more coming. That is the unboxing for the BTS 2021 Muster DVD. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.